After falling in love with chrome jewelry, I finally had the epiphany that I could make my own. I hope my video gives you the inspiration to do the same. Let's go. Here's a list of stores that I shopped. If you can't get to a physical craft store, Amazon is your best bet. I try not to buy from there and I'm failing miserably. These are by far my favorite charms for this, the rhinestone. Ugh. Here's the list of items that you'll need. These are really important, especially the wire cutters and the pair of pliers. For starters, you want to measure your chain to the length that you want. If you've never seen a tool bag in your life, here's what pliers and wire cutters look like. These shouldn't be hard to find. If you don't have them, check a dollar store near you. Next, you're going to want to just cut the chain using the wire cutters. Pretty straightforward, very simple, easy. I picked up this little packet of pendants from Amazon. There's just a variety of sizes in here, but I mostly got it for this cross and the ankh that you're going to see here. So beautiful. Does anybody else ever get like morbid vibes from wearing the actual crucifixion? No, just me. Okay. Next, you're just going to want to make your layout before you start putting pendant to chain. This is just more of a visual help. I definitely needed to see it first before I officially put everything on there, especially because I actually ended up changing all the other little crosses to something different out of the bag. Next, you're just going to take your jump rings and align them around the chain where the pendants will meet the chain link. And then after that, you're going to take your 2 pliers, this is why I said 2, and gently, as best as you can, pull it apart where the little opening is. As you can see, I was fighting for my life. Excuse my shaky hands. I'm an artist and I have anxiety. Once it's open, all you have to do is put the pendant on there and leave it open, and then also connect the chain in the same place. After this, it gets pretty simple, straightforward. Just close it and move on. Absolutely stunning. So pretty, so simple. I'm obsessed. Next, you're just going to take your clasp pieces and connect them to the ends of the chain using another jump ring. And here is where the mommy ring and the daddy ring come together and make... Oh, I'm sorry, wrong class. The next steps are pretty simple. You're just going to loop that together and loop this on the end of the necklace chain. finally, for this last part, you're just going to add another of those jump rings to the other side, the other end of the chain, and that's it. LOL. This fire ass pendant, I lied saying that other one was my favorite. What was I thinking? This fire ass pendant is like a dream. I mean, look at it, and you really don't have to do much except slide it onto the chain. If you're looking to do a lot less of this customization part, then you can just get some ready-made chains. These gold ones I picked up came in a pack of 3 from Hobby Lobby, and they already come with clasp and closers, so yeah. I picked up these gold snake pendants from Amazon, and unfortunately I had to order some more jump rings because the gold ones that I got for this actually were too small, so that's it. Super easy DIY, nothing else needs to be said really. I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video. This DIY officially made me a jewelry girly. I wasn't one before, and as you can see, that is no more. Love this DIY down. I'll catch you soon, Vixens. Again,